Welcome everyone. This video is going to be about how I remade this song, Gustavo Bravetti, I guess an Italian guy, I'm not quite sure. But yeah, this song is very inspiring to me. I just wanted to remake it and see what I can do. I literally did this song in like half an hour, 45 minutes. I didn't record the whole process, but I just wanted to run through what I've done basically in Ableton. So this is the song. Hopefully YouTube will not ban me for this little snippet, but yeah, let's jump into it. So this is Ableton Live 11, and I did start out with a banjo. I think it's a banjo. You guys tell me. I'm not quite sure. It could be an acoustic guitar, but it did sound like a banjo to me. And I was like, let's just use Analog Lab 5, and found this banjo sound here. And I was just playing around, figured out the chords. Well, it's not like it's the chords, but it sounds similar to me. Something like that, isn't it? Well, it's something like that. So I'm just literally playing around. I think it's in D minor, this track. Yeah, I use this, and then there is some effect chain here, delay, reverb, and there's some automation with the auto filter, because I think there is some filtering going on there, as you can see it here. All the frequencies coming in. Well, yeah, and what I've done is I tried to figure out the melody. I was just listening to the song and like just playing around on the keys, and I think this is it. And also duplicated this because I felt like it needs some more body, just a bit more depth, if you would say that. Anyway, and of course the bass is the main part of this song, but it's a very simple song, and that makes it very unique. I think it's just how basic and how powerful it is. So for the bass I used a Prophet 5, and I just found this bass. This is what it sounds like without yeah, I was just literally playing around, and I was like, oh, it starts on this note and then goes to C. But yeah, I'm not sure about the keys. Probably D minor. You guys tell me. Something like that, isn't it? Could be B flat major. I'm not sure. Could be anything really. And yeah, and I just added some effects to this. I got some Ableton reverb. It sounded really good. Obviously some compression with the kick, because we want to hear some kick, and I think there is some kick in the song. It's not just bass. Yeah, more gain, and just EQ'd a little bit to my taste, and also double this as well. So there's another layer. This is what it sounds like together. Cool. And then of course just put everything on top of each other. I also try to count the tempo of the song just by listening to it. I think it's pretty close. It's somewhere 120, 119. Could be different, I'm not sure, but this is what it sounds like to me. And there is hi-hats for sure. This is from my screen just glitched a bit. This is from Tempo. As you can see, it's pretty basic. It's not even quantizing the song, I think. He just literally plays it. And then we have a kick. No idea about the kick really, it just sounded right to me. Put it in there. And then the snare. It's from a splice. A sample. Also double this. But also I think the snare might be reversed and put it onto the song somehow. The same, I don't know, it's just a bit weird. When you listen to this, like, to it. That could have been a reverse snare, I'm not entirely sure, but this is just what it sounds like to me. It's quite good. And yeah, let's listen to it, shall we? There's not a lot to it, but this is it, yeah. I think the key thing here is there is a banjo, it's delayed a lot and reverbed, if that's how you would say. But it's hard to figure out what exactly going on, but I think it's very, very close if you listen to it closely. It's a beautiful banjo. I don't have one, so I just had to make something up. But yeah, this is just a short video and wanted to show you what I would do if there is an inspiring song, just to remake it and then maybe learn something throughout, you know. Just put all this together and then basically you can just have different chord progressions, maybe add some more stuff to it, take out stuff, and then just make your own version, and then it's a different song at the end of the day. But yeah, let me know in the comments what do you think, what I could have done better. But yeah, I think this is it. Thanks guys.